Hi, I'm Michael. I look after the pump program here at CSI. We provide on-site, off-site, and even virtual training to help you and your staff understand the equipment you have and understand how to operate it and maintain it well.
I'm Jordan, and I'm one of the facilitators who will perform your pump training. We're maintenance guys ourselves, so we understand the complex issues you face keeping your process running smoothly, and we want to help make your lives easier. Here's how we do it.
Step 1. We work to understand your needs. To find the best solution, we first must understand what issues you're experiencing. Before our training even begins, we spend the time necessary with you to understand exactly what is causing your headaches, and we build custom training to meet those needs. Our training covers both centrifugal and positive displacement hygienic pumps, and we're happy to train on any pump brands, even if you didn't purchase the equipment from us. Step 2. We customize training to meet your specific equipment requirements. After we understand your needs, our team can meet you and your team in person, on-site or off-site, or virtual, depending on what you're comfortable with. During this training, we'll outline how to operate and maintain your pumps correctly. Performing this training inside your facility allows you to gain real, practical experience working on your physical equipment. Our goal during this training is to educate you and your team to operate and maintain your equipment yourselves, keeping the maintenance jobs in the hands of your employees.
Step 3. We audit your system to prevent future failures. We want your system to operate at optimum levels more consistently, adding more money to your bottom line. During the audit, we review your entire system and present recommendations on how and when to service and maintain your equipment. Preventative maintenance allows you to plan when your maintenance breaks happen, instead of having to address random failures during off hours that force you or your team to come in after hours and make expensive repairs.
Hi, I'm Phil. As our pump and valve lead technician, I also have the opportunity to facilitate pump training. After the training and audit are complete, you and your team will have the tools to run and maintain your equipment effectively.
But don't worry, if you have any questions, we're here to help. Take your next step towards longer operation time between failures, quicker fixes when issues do arise, and plan when maintenance break occurs by scheduling your customized in-person or virtual pump training today.